Hey everyone, and welcome to my course, Successfully Sell Digital Art on Etsy. I'm so excited to have you all here, and we are actually going to just go ahead and dive right in. So a little bit about me to start, and then we'll get into the good stuff. My name is Lauren. I live in Arizona with my little fur baby, Benny. I've always been very artistic. Prior to my seamless pattern business, I ran a dog portrait business. And then in September of 2022, that's when I came across the art of seamless patterns and started my business. This course is for anyone who is struggling to sell their digital artwork on Etsy. I will be sharing my secrets to how I became a successful Etsy seller. You'll be able to use these tips and tricks that I share to leverage your art business. Now, this is going to be for anyone that's just starting out, or you might already have a running business and just need to boost your sales. When I just started out, I didn't know any of this information. I had to teach myself everything. It would have been nice to have a course like this to teach me all of these tips so that I could have gotten my business off the ground running faster and seen profit sooner. And even if you're not just starting out and you already have a running business, this is still going to be good for you as well. There might be a disconnect, or you might just need to see some of these tips just to boost your sales. So let's talk about the course objectives. So the main thing that you're going to learn overall is you're going to learn tips and tricks to help get your digital art business off the ground and running. More specifically, we're going to talk about how to determine what is currently trending in Etsy searches using Etsy search and a website called eRank. You're also going to learn how to effectively utilize Etsy SEO and tags, and you'll learn about the use of Facebook groups for marketing. Along with that, I also have a final lesson where I just go over some random miscellaneous tips that just didn't quite fit into its own lesson. So most of you probably already create digital art. That's why you're here. You want to try to sell your digital art. But if you don't and you're looking for digital art to create, here's some examples. Now, this is not an all-inclusive list. The sky is the limit. There's all different types of digital artwork that you can create, but these are going to be some of the more popular ones. So you've got seamless patterns. That's what I create. What a seamless pattern is it's a pattern that repeats itself. You can keep repeating it over and over and over. So it's great for clothing, phone cases, bed sheets, bed duvet covers. The options are endless for what you can use a seamless pattern for. Another type of digital art that's very popular right now is clip art. These can be used on t-shirt designs. They can also be used on phone cases. They can be used for printable wall art, which we'll go over next, digital cards, just all kinds of things that clip art can be used for. Printable wall art is another one. I have dabbled in this, and it's a very good field to get into. Basically, what you do is you would sell your artwork in printable form, so the customer prints it out, and then they would put it on their wall or wherever they want, whatever they want to decorate with it. Also digital portraits, like digital pet portraits, digital family portraits, those types of things. Digital cards, fonts. The fonts you might be like a font that you can use in Procreate or Photoshop. And typically the fonts are hand drawn out. Logos, if you want to be more on the graphic design, you could create logos with your artwork. Coloring pages is a great one, and also digital stickers. So let's go over more about me and my income. I want to be completely transparent in this video so that you can see what I make and where I'm at with the time that I've been doing this. And I first wanted to let you guys know that I actually didn't profit the first 3 months, but I was still consistent and I stuck with it. So the first 3 months, what I would do is if I got a sale, I was making seamless patterns all the time and listing them in my shop. And then if I got a sale, I was using my profit to spend more on Etsy ads just to keep generating more and more traffic to my shop. Now, I think that I think 3 months is a great time period to not have a profit. I know some people go longer, but some people go less. I think that if you follow the tips and tricks that I set forth in this course, that you're going to be a lot less than 3 months, because there was so much that I still didn't know. And as we're going to talk about in the Facebook lesson, I didn't start taking off until I created a Facebook group and started having Facebook reps. And so if you start that out sooner, you're probably going to profit a lot sooner than I did. So anyways, fast forward to now. So it's about a year later that I'm recording this, and I'm clearing nearly $4,000 per month. And I'm doing this, I'm doing something that I just absolutely love doing. And I also fully expect this number to keep increasing with time. I got here by being consistent and showing up every single day, and by following the tips that I'm going to be sharing with you in this course. So without further ado, let's get started.